how to which hardware will be at which positions. Now let us take the example of top hung window. So here we can see the lot of hardware is here. So now we can understand which hardware is for the which positions. So these are the pull-in blocks, which is from the security style, and these work of the pull-in blocks to restrict the weather ceilings and to release the stress on this sash. These are the SPT 26 friction hinges. It's also from the security styles, and the work of these SPT 26 friction hinges means to restrict the opening of sash and to provide the self-balancing. SR8 is also a restrictor, which is also restrict the openings, and restrictor we are providing in the case of when the height of the window is too much high, and not only as friction hinges can be able to restrict the opening, there we need to provide some restrictors also. So 9313 are the locking points. So locking points, the position should be at the downside of the restrictors. Here you can see the handle position, how it is. It's just the middle of the window, width of the window. These are the corner transmission. These corner transmissions are helpful to transmit the road at the vertical side, and these are the another locking points, which is at the horizontal distance from the handles, at the equal distance. So here we see all the hardwares required for the top hung windows. So now let us see some another elevations. So let's see another drawing, that is the door. Here you can see we are providing one handle cylinder. These are the butt hinges to carrying the loads. So now let's see how it will work. This is the full depth of the profile, in which you have to choose this handle according to the profiles. Mm means we can apply here our mortise handle, which having the maximum depth like 615, 315 and 305, because it come up to the 55 or 65 mm. So we can use here our mortise handle. We have a 3 option in it: 65, 315 and 305. This is the spindle dia, that is the 8 mm. We can see how cylinder will work here. This is the cylinder position. And butt hinges. Here you can see the butt hinges. These are the butt hinges which we have to provide in the doors. Now let us see some another options. This is the 2-track 2-shutter sliding window. In this window we are fix the handle. Handle's position is at the mid of the length of the window. And when the heavy window is there, so we have to use another pull handle. So 241 is our pull handle. which we in that we need to install our sliding handle. So these are the counter plates, nibs and the handle which we require for the sliding doors and windows. Now let us see the another option. This is the parallel window. Now let's see how parallel windows require the hardwares. We need 9312 corner transmission at the corner positions. These are the corners positions, and this is the friction hinges to restrict the openings. This is also friction hinges from secure style to restrict the openings. Here is also corner transmissions, and these are the 9313 is the locking points. So these are the some hardwares we require for the parallel windows. These are our handles which we are using for the as per the priority of the client. Now let's see the how we decide at which position of roller will work. This is our sliding frame and this is our sliding track. This is sash which will be move on this track, and this is the rollers positions. Here you can see the rollers positions. Different tracks need different kind of rollers. Here you can see the curvature of the track. According to that we need to choose the rollers. Here also the track situation is different, so this kind of curvature required. This is the track, so we should use this kind of rollers. So here we see different rollers. Now this is one sliding assembly. Here you can see the drainage cover, where is the position of the drainage cover. This is drain hole cover, and this is the anti-dust seals positions. Now let's see the different profiles wants different. According to the profiles we are suggesting the counter plates. So these are the some counter plates options. We have different profiles. If profiles are like that, so we need to choose counter plates according to that. This is the options for the multi-point lockings. This is the another option for the counter plate. If the profiles are like that, so how we are choosing the counter plates options. These are the options for this profile. These are the options for the multi-point locking. So we have a lot of option for the one single profiles.